Hi everyone, this is Misha from Made Up Me Search, and today we're going to be looking at CURLSMITH's anti-frizz recipe. This video is a bit of a long overdue, but I hope I'm not too late to the party yet, because this is one of my probably more favorite lines from CURLSMITH, and I really want to talk to you about it. I do have 3 out of 4 products that they have in this line, so let's get to it. As we know, CURLSMITH, it is a brand that is focused mostly on curly and wavy hair. They do have different lines of products that they call recipes. This one specifically is the anti-frizz recipe, which is coated green and is supposed to battle frizz and be for all curl types and textures. Now, most of CURLSMITH's lines are pretty heavily fragranced. This one is no exception to the fragrance. I would say it's a little bit less overwhelming than some other of their product lines. And the scent in this case is mango and papaya, and I would say it's probably my favorite so far. When it comes to all the ingredients that they use, they're very proud in using no phthalates, no parabens, no sulfates, no silicones, mineral oils, DEAs, and they are suitable for the CGM, the curly girl method, if you are following that. Now, their products are a little bit more on the pricey side. However, I do find them genuinely very effective and very high quality, but everyone's hair is a little bit different. So, what might work for me may not work for you. And it's very important to know your hair and know that every individual is going to have a different experience with these products. In general, my experience with CURLSMITH has been more positive. On their lightweight lines that were more curated towards wavy hair rather than, for example, the moisture recipe, which is a little bit more thick. Now, these specifics for the anti-frizz recipe. This one is supposed to be, of course, battling frizz. There are 4 products in total. We have a cleanser, conditioner that is a 2-in-1, curl retainer, and a gel serum. I have all the products except for the serum because I don't usually like to, finish my hair with heavy products. I have 1 lightweight oil and I'm fine with that. So we're going to be talking about the 3. So let's start off with a cleanser. We have the Frizz Control Cleanser. It's supposed to be a gentle everyday shampoo. It does lather pretty nicely, which is something that I'm always a little bit wary with these shampoos if they are going to be working well in terms of, if they foam up, if they really cleanse your scalp well, etc. This one, very effective. I liked it a lot. Very lightweight, doesn't strip the hair overly, but also doesn't leave it like too moisturized and weighted down. So pretty good standard cleanser for me. Yeah, it's supposed to be for all curl types. I don't see why that wouldn't be true. When it comes to the ingredients, we have cocoa butter, sunflower seed oil, blackcurrant seed oil, argan oil, watermelon seed oil, squalane, and then different gentle cleansing ingredients. So nice, lightweight, everyday cleanser. You do get 355 milliliters in the bottle, which is a pretty standard amount for their cleansers. I gotta say, I do really enjoy this one. It's very effective. It just works well, washes the hair well, doesn't strip it too much. You can use it fairly often, even though I usually wash my hair like maximum twice a week. I would still say that this is not going to, strip the hair or damage it. And it works really well. A little goes a long way. It lathers up really well. And overall, I would definitely recommend it. However, with cleansers, I'm a little bit wary because I feel like shampoo is the most basic thing and you can get some really good affordable ones. So when it comes to CURLSMITH, I usually, recommend more of their stylers and different products that are a little bit more specific than, everyday shampoo. Next, I want to talk about the Frizz Control Duo Conditioner. This is, as the name suggests, either a leave-in conditioner or a rinse-out conditioner. For my hair as a leave-in, this was a little bit too on the thick side. And I think it's probably, the oils and butters in the formula that didn't make it the best conditioner for my hair. Yeah, it's supposed to be good for detangling your hair. I would agree with this. However, if my hair is like really tangled, I have to use such a large amount of this that I would probably say get a detangler or like a really good brush and a ton of cheaper conditioner. It's not the most effective in terms of detangling, but I would say it has a nice slip to it. It's very like sleek, when you wash it out of your hair, they feel super like smooth and really, really, really silky. So it's really nice, but I wouldn't say it's the best for detangling. As I said, I wasn't the biggest fan of it as a leave-in because my hair usually tends to like more watery and kind of, the spray leave-in formula thing rather than these creamy leave-ins that do contain the butters and oils. And when it comes to the ingredients, it's still the same. We have the coconut butter, argan oil, watermelon seed oil, blackcurrant seed oil, jojoba oil, and castor oil, as well as panthenol, shea butter, and squalane. So it's a little bit more thick. And also the shea butter in there. You know, I should have known this is not going to be like the best leave-in conditioner for me. But as a regular conditioner, as like a rinse-out conditioner, definitely really nice. Is it more lightweight than, for example, their Shine conditioner? I don't know. I wouldn't say so. It depends what your preference is. Is this one helping with the frizz? I would say yes. I would say that if I use this with a styler, my hair is a very smooth, very frizz-free. Now, if your concern is more how lightweight is your conditioner because it weights down your waves, I would go for maybe a more lighter one without the shea butter and the coconut butter and all these added oils. So very good. I'm about to use it up. As you can tell, I did actually enjoy using it quite a lot, but it's not like my ride or die, I have to repurchase it now kind of product. You get 237 milliliters, which is again a very standard amount for these. So yeah, even though I liked it, I wasn't like super blown away by it. And last but not least, we have the Frizz Rescue Curl Retainer. Now, I wasn't sure first, what is this? Because the name kind of throws you off, but it is a gel styler. And like the minute I saw it online, I knew I'm gonna love it because it has that snotty, milky texture that I love and that always works really well for my hair. So this one is supposed to provide flexible definition for all curl types. It should be non-sticky, kind of a jelly, which I do agree with. It is very non-sticky, and it should manage your frizz, define your curls, and give you medium hold without the crunch. Now, I do have some complaints at some of these parts, but for the frizz managing, definitely. I feel like this works really, really well at managing my frizz. And also, I find it very effective when we have very humid or just very bad weather in general. This is the kind of gel that I reach for. I have like 3 or 4 gels that are my holy grails for shitty weather. And this one is definitely up there in the rotation. I think it works really well. Now, when it comes to the medium hold, I'm not sure. Like for me, it's somewhere between medium and hard. And I don't have to use too much, but I feel like my hair just works really well with it, and it does make cast on me, which I don't mind. Like my curls are crunchy when I use this and diffuse, so for me it's like better. I prefer that. But just so you know, the no crunchy definition, it doesn't always have to be no crunchy definition. Sometimes it's a crunchy definition, and that's okay. Now, it should be for all curl types and textures. I can only speak for my very long wavy hair that doesn't hold a wave now, but yeah, definitely works pretty well. Yeah, you get 237 milliliters again. And I would say that for the price, this is actually a really good deal because I find that it's very hard to find affordable gels that would perform very well, especially in bad weather. I think that's like one of the biggest pluses for this one, that it's like a very multifaceted gel. It works really well both in the summer when you need something very lightweight and very fuss-free, but also in like more wintry fall weather, which is really bad and your hair is all over the place. This works in every situation. Like I can use this anytime. And the ingredients are still very similar to the other products. So we have sunflower seed oil, watermelon seed oil, and argan oil, which together make up something they call tree oil complex, which is supposed to create like a protective film over your hair and keep it from frizzing up, which sounds like, legit science to me. I don't know anything about hair formulation, so I guess it works pretty well without weighting the hair down as well. I do get some pretty good volume when I use this gel, so I think they kind of mastered the whole oily formulation to cover your hair, but also don't weight it down. Now we also have squalane, blackcurrant seed oil, coconut butter, and I think that is pretty much it. From this whole line, I would say that the gel or the curl retainer is definitely my favorite. I use this one all the time. I reach for it all the time. The cleanser and the conditioner are really nice. I love the smell of them. I feel like the scent is a part of the experience for me. And when I have a very nice smelling products in the shower, I, enjoy it more. So I do like these, especially for the scent and for the formulations as well. Even though when I compare the First Control Cleanser to some other CURLSMITH shampoos that I have, it's not that big of a difference. So I don't necessarily think that you need it. Same thing with the conditioner. Like, is it nice? Does it work? Works quite okay. Honestly, now that my hair is super long, I feel like I need something a little bit more potent to detangle, because this is pretty lightweight for detangling my hair when I don't brush it for a week. So it's not my favorite. I still use it. I am going to use it up pretty soon actually. But am I going to repurchase these two? I don't think so. Because I don't think these are worth the price. And for both of these, I could probably find like an alternative that's going to be very similar and way cheaper. But this, as I said, the stylers is the specific products, the heat protectants, the stylers, the creams. Those are the products you want from your CURLSMITH. So I would definitely recommend the gel. Overall, I think this line is actually very nice. I just don't think you need them all. If you want to get these all, you sure can. I was happy with them. I'm going to use them up. You know, pretty happy about that. However, they're not that special. So it's really up to you if you want to spend your money on this Frizz controller line or not, but I was definitely mostly impressed by the styler. Hi, it's editing me. I completely forgot to tell you that I did a wash day with just these products, and here are the results. So this is how it looked like when, you know, I washed the hair, I clipped it up. It does look a little messy. That's usually what the clips do. But here is another clip that I have that's from my phone, which is showing you how the hair looks. Like overall, I feel like in the pictures and on the video, it looks a lot more frizzy than it is. But I gotta say that the hair lasted pretty well. So in terms of longevity of these effects, I would say that it's pretty effective. And that is all I wanted to say. So like this video if you enjoyed this little CURLSMITH review, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!